Okay, hello everyone. Welcome from Founder Speaks. So we are trying to adding our today's guest. So let me get the list of the viewers. So let the viewers come, and I will join with the today's founders today within a while. So as you already know that as we have discussed today, we are going to have a live chat session with our one of our founder, and he is going to be with us live soon. So I'll just add him. You all are requested to be online as he must be trying to get in. But this is a message for our founders today that add viewers to be in your broadcast, no viewers to invite it. So I am not able to see the viewers. Let them wait. There may be some technical issue. So we'll just wait for a next 1 or 2 minutes till one of a person join us. One person I can see, but I'm not able to see that person in my list to be joined. So if there is any list to be joined, need to check it out. No viewers 8 to be joined. So this Saturday we have a founders talk with one of a great personality, and we are waiting that he should be live within the next 1 or 2 minutes. Let's wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Let's see. Yeah, there is one request. Yes, now I'll just approve your request, Yogesh sir. Founder for today's session is being added. Sir, you being added. I'm getting notification here that you are being connected. Yes, sir. So I think so. There was some technical problem we were facing. I hope I'm audible to
Right.
you.
Right.
I hope
Yes,
I'm
you are audible.
audible to you. Okay, good.
Yes, Sagar, you are audible.
Okay. So first of all, a very
Yes,
good
Sagar,
evening.
you are audible.
Okay. So first of all, a very
Yes,
good
Sagar,
evening.
you are audible.
Actually, there is some problem. That voice is being repeated. I hope now everything is audible from your side.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So welcome to our channel, Yogesh Thoreji. So ours is a channel.
Thank you.
Name is Founder Speaks, where we call the founders from various places, and we help the startups and entrepreneurs to grow further. Because founders are having some ideas in their minds, new ideas you can say, and startup people are having some new ideas in their minds, and we wanted to promote that idea. So that's why we usually call some startup people over here. So hello all the viewers. So today we have with us the founder and CEO of Fry, which is the space working for working people. They provide some spaces. More of that particular knowledge or more of that description will be given by our founder itself. So as already it's a 7 o'clock, I thought we should start. So first question to you, sir. Can you please brief us about what exactly this Fry A and what is that the what way success behind that Fry A success story? Yeah.
First of all, yes, thank you so much, Sagar sir, for inviting me and for having me on your platform. It's an honor and pleasure to be here on your platform. So thanks a lot. Thank you for having me. Yes, and I'm looking forward to interact with you and your audience here. So to start with, about the first question you asked, what is the Fry exactly, and how I started, or what is the kind of a venture we are running at. So hello everyone, my name is Yogesh. I am founder at Fry. What exactly Fry does is like, before coming on Fry, I'll just tell you something about myself. I'm a small town boy from a small town village. It's in Maharashtra, the district called Aurangabad. It's a very small village in the Aurangabad district. I came from there. I done my engineering and my MBA from Pune University, and I done my MBA in the marketing from Indira Institute of Wakad. That's after the MBA. I got a campus. I worked close to 6 years in 3 different MNCs, so-called fancy companies, and then I quit the job. One fine day I thought bus ho gaya abhi, and then I quit the job one fine day without having plan B or even the plan A. There is nothing in the mind what I'll do, but I quit the job because I had that kind of a like someday I wanted to start my journey. Someday I wanted to start my startup. So with that thought, I started slowly, and over a period of time, obviously I started with something else. Now Fry has completely a different model, and with the Fry, what we do in a very one sentence I can say, we transform nightclub and pubs during a daytime into co-working spaces. Okay, so all those people who don't have the offices, who need a remote space to work, they can use our spaces during morning 9 to evening 6 o'clock. Because of this, daytime, this nightclub and pubs don't have any business. First thing. Second thing, most of the nightclub and pubs, they open in the evening time or late evening time, and that's their prime time. Customers join nightclub and pubs in the evening or late evening. So we are utilizing unutilized time and unutilized space during a daytime. In short, I can say we are Airbnb for co-working.
Okay, right. So actually nowadays co-working spaces has got its own importance, because those who are startups, they definitely cannot afford a big houses, they definitely cannot afford a big offices, and definitely co-working space could be a best option for them. But before coming to the Fry A, there must be some mistakes you people have made in your life as a startup founder. So for viewers, can you tell us that what are those 2 to 3 mistakes that anyone should not repeat?
Oh, not 2, 3. There are thousands or hundreds of mistakes at least I have done. Okay, or maybe every founder does.
Yeah, we believe to share your stories also.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So I would say these are common mistakes every founder makes, and the best thing, our most important thing is that you need to learn from those mistakes and just move quickly, and maybe learn from that mistake and move quickly and start to the next thing. So that's the formula. About 1 or 2 mistakes I can share. The one thing I recently realized that what happened previously, I become the mistake I made. I became CEO too early. Even I don't consider myself CEO anymore, but maybe last year I was in a mode that I'm a CEO. I'm not. I'm living that kind of a life. So I realized that I cannot have that kind of a luxury to live that life, even though I don't have, but still जो होता है ना कि हमारे बात करने के तरीके में हो या रहने के तरीके में हो, दिख जाता है कि I'm a CEO. So I have given up on that thing now. Okay, I realized that my mistake, and now I just call myself a salesperson at Fry. Okay, founder वो शायद LinkedIn पे लिखने के लिए founder लिखता हूँ मैं. Otherwise I'm a salesperson, because what happened with the CEO tag, na, you are become too fancy. You are too fancy with the people, with the customers. Right. Because my primary job at Fry is to interact with customers, and the founder or maybe CEO is not the right person to do that. The right person is the salesperson. So now I'm a salesperson, not the CEO. So the mistake I can say, don't become CEO too early, unless and until you have thousands of crores in the account. So that's
right. And that could be dream.
Again, it's the mistake I can say, no product or no startup can be perfect on the day 1 or even on the day 100. It's always improvising mode. Okay, so launch your product as soon as possible. Just whatever the product, okay, just launch it. Don't wait for perfection. अगर आप perfection को wait करते रहेंगे तो बहुत late हो जाता है. So that mistake I make in the past, you got my point, right? So don't wait for
Right, right,
perfection. Launch the product as soon as
yeah,
possible, because the improvisation and the product will become perfect one fine day. Don't wait for perfection.
good. So because when we wait for something, then definitely it takes a time, and within that time, somebody enters into that particular area, and he just grab our opportunity. So this may happen.
Right, right,
This also may happen so many
right,
times. So we have
right,
to
right.
be early adopter sometimes, and we have to go in a very great way sometimes, and that way. So moving forward
Right.
to our very much attractive question, everybody knows and everybody wants success. So what is your definition of a success? How do you define success as a term?
Okay, everyone has a different definition of a success. Okay, so for my, like,
Right,
maybe every startup founder can have a definition, or at least my definition is that very simple. It's not about anything else. It's about how we are making an impact on the other's life. Okay, with your product, with your service, how you are improvising others' life. Maybe what is your role, or your product role, or your service role in others' life? Is their life is impacted in a positive way, in a good way? The answer is yes. Then I'm a successful. Then any startup is successful if their life became very smoother because of your product. Just take an example of, let's say, Uber and Ola. अगर आज
right.
Uber नहीं होता था, तो with the Uber you can say that your life, because in the next minute you can book a cab and you can go on your door and the cab is ready for you.
Sure,
So
sure, right.
that's a successful startup for me, irrespective of how much money they are losing or how much money they are making. So that's a very simple success. If, for example, tomorrow any startup will solving a problem for a pollution. Let's say दिल्ली में इतना pollution है. अगर कोई startup ऐसा निकल के आता है कि if they are solving a problem for pollution, if they are solving a problem for, let's say, traffic, every metro city has a traffic. So if any founder, any startup is solving that problem, they are successful, irrespective of how much they are earning or how much. Even like we are in Maharashtra, so I know how much farmers are facing problems. So
Right.
they don't have any financial as such income comparing to other sectors. So if somebody, even if some startup born and solving a problem for farmers, so they are hugely successful, irrespective, maybe more successful than anyone else.
So when you make others' life simplified, and that is your business success that you wanted to say.
Exactly.
Okay, so now we'll change some language of our question and answer. Is it okay if I talk in Marathi also to you, Marathi, Hindi, so that we have so many
Oh,
viewers,
yes, yes,
those who can talk in
yes, yes,
Marathi
yes.
and
चालेल, बिलकुल,
चालेल चालेल.
बिलकुल.
ओके ओके. तर मोस्टली काय होतं की जनरली आपण असा विचार करतो की काहीतरी नवीन चालू करण्यासाठी आपल्याला 24/7 आणि 24 तास 12 महिने काम करण्याची गरज आहे. आणि आम्ही जेव्हा पाहतो फाउंडर्स वगैरे जे काही स्टोरीज वगैरे रीड करतो, त्यामध्ये आम्ही पाहतो की दे वेर वर्किंग लाईक 16,000, 16,000 तास, 17,000 तास त्यांनी काम केलं. 5 वर्ष काम केल्यानंतर एक संस्था उत्पन्न झाली. तर अशा पद्धतीच्या स्टोरीज आम्ही ऐकलेल्या आहेत. बट ऍज अ स्टार्टअप फाउंडर तुम्हाला काय वाटतं की 24 तास 7 डेज 12 महिने असं काम करणं गरजेचं आहे का नाहीये फॉर सक्सेस, गेटिंग सक्सेस इन युअर लाईफ और स्टार्टिंग समथिंग? का सॅटर्डे
Okay,
संडे आपण
okay.
आराम करायला हवा? का सॅटर्डे
Okay,
संडे आपण
okay.
आराम करायला हवा?
Okay. In startup, very frankly, startup and entrepreneurship is not for everyone. Okay, it's not
Right.
everyone's game, because
Yes.
it takes lots and lots of courage, efforts, and the efforts are not like एक महीना अपन efforts के लिए किंवा 2 महीने अपन efforts के लिए.
Right.
You require a continuous efforts for a longer duration of time. So any successful startup, at least ते म्हणतात ना आपण की any successful startup at least takes 10 years. Every overnight success at least take 10 years. So
Yes.
definitely Saturday, Sunday, holidays and all those things, it's very tough for a startup, at least for initial days. You cannot have fun on the weekends, because already what happened now, you are already doing a job for 10 people, a single founder or a single person, maybe early team, your early joiners in your startup, they are doing a job of 10 people each, everyone. So you cannot have fun simultaneously. You cannot take a weekend off, definitely. Having said this, you can live a life. असं नाही की म्हणजे like 4 घंटे झोपणार मी. Yes.
Oh.
You need to maintain kind of a fine balance. But obviously you cannot live a life of like those people who is doing a job particularly. For example, an IT person doing a job Monday to Friday, they are having fun on enjoying the weekend. You will not get that kind of a luxury in the startup. ती लक्झरी नाही भेटणार कारण की ती लक्झरी नाही भेटणार कारण की तुमचे गोल्स वेगळे आहेत त्यामुळे ती लक्झरी नाही भेटणार.
बरोबर आहे. नॉट नेसेसरी याचा अर्थ असा की नॉट नेसेसरी की आपण 24 तास काम करायला हवं, बट वी हॅव टू केप सम व्हॉट वी कॅन से टाइम फॉर आवर सेल्फ, फॉर आवर इम्प्रुव्हमेंट, फॉर आवर स्टार्टअप इम्प्रुव्हमेंट. That is also very important, that we should keep ourselves free for that particular time. So that's why we will help us to improve. So that could be one of the things. So that patience is also matter, as you discussed. It takes 10 years to go. Now we have started our founder speak from 1st of January and we are in a hurry to get the followers. Now you can say we have only 2 live here. So we are in a very hurry to get the followers and all. But yes, we are very much sure. Yes, please.
Even Sagar, look at like, yes, Sagar, for example, you are very right, rightly said. What happened, like, look at the OYO rooms or look at the Paytms. You know what? Paytm started in 2010. Whatever the success we are seeing Paytms, everyone says that because Paytm got growth or maybe grown because of the demonetization. No, they are working 7 years earlier on that. They are just ready. They are ready. They are ready for that opportunity, to grab that opportunity. They grab that opportunity of a demonetization. Notebandीची opportunity त्यांना grab करता आली, and that's why they have become like a unicorn company today. One of the topmost startup in India.
Right. So that patience is also required, and when patience you will have definitely. Neither what happens generally की आपण काहीतरी स्टार्ट करतो आणि मग स्टार्ट केल्यानंतर मग आपण काहीतरी वेगळा विचार करून मग पलीकडे परत शिफ्ट करतो. परत शिफ्ट केल्यानंतर सम पीपल फीड समथिंग अँड देन परत आपण वेगळा विचार करतो. दॅट जर्नी हॅज टू बी देअर. आय एम नॉट सेइंग की जर्नी नसली पाहिजे, बट समवेअर यू हॅव टू स्टॉप अँड यू हॅव टू बिलीव्ह ऑन युअर ड्रीम्स. Then only things will happen. At one point of time you have to stay. So we wish best luck for Fry as your venture in coming future. It will be on all areas of India, like all locations of India we are expecting. Moving forward to the next question, I just wanted to ask that every founder generally reads some books, some movies are there. Is there any book which is your favorite book, or any movies which is your favorite movie that we should see that movies tomorrow? Is a Sunday usual, so our viewers see that movie tomorrow.
Okay, so I'm very poor person to read a books. But I'd like to highlight that in my entire life I read only 2 books. Okay, and when I finished my second book, I quit my job. So I don't mind to recommend all those books to every single entrepreneurs. The first book, because I'm highly inspired by these Steve Jobs, and both the books kind of inspired from Steve Jobs. The writer is Reshma Bansal. She written both the books. The first book I read is the Stay Hungry, Stay Foolish. This book covers 25 stories of the pass out from IIT and IIM. Okay, and those IIT IIM are like the institute. These guys has built startups from scratch. Okay, and that's the first book. Second book is on a exactly on a similar platform. The book name is Connect the Dot.
Connect the dots, yeah.
And Connect the Dots. And in that book, all those 25 stories, and these guys are not from IIT and IIM. Most of them are like maybe not educated. Most of them are 4th standard pass, and maybe someone maybe a graduate, but very on ordinary college. So second book gives you like kind of a impression that you can achieve anything irrespective of your degree, irrespective of your institute. So all you require few things to achieve those success. So these are only 2 books I read: Stay Hungry, Stay Foolish and Connect the Dot, both by the Reshma Bansal.
Okay, so Connect the Dots, I am very much familiar about it. I have also read that book. Stay Hungry, Stay Foolish, I have started 1 or 3 pages I have read. but definitely now you are recommending, definitely I'll continue that book to be read. And all the viewers,
Yes.
those who are online today, and we are going to make this video live on YouTube also today. So whenever people see that, definitely people knows ki stay angry, stay foolish. We will read. Definitely we will read that book. So is there anything else which inspire you most other than books? What that things which inspire you most in your life? Anything
Okay.
which you want to say?
What inspired me most,
It
like
could be money.
because
It could be
all those
money.
things like videos, all those things like videos or movie on Netflix or anything, they are temporary things, I can say, that will only helpful if you are on execution mode. Okay, what inspire me anytime in generally is the people's problem. Okay, whenever I can
Oh,
see a problem that trigger me, because Fry has born not because of because I saw some problem in a restaurant industry. What problem I saw is that they don't have a business in the daytime. Okay, no matter
right.
how glamorous, no matter how vibrant your space is, no matter how much investment that nightclub ka owner has done in that place,
Place,
they
right.
are not making any money in the daytime.
Right.
Okay, they are, whatever the money they are making in the prime time, that's evening time, and that beautiful property, that vibrant property is empty during the daytime. So now we are giving them something in the daytime. Parallelly, all the customers, because I was like, I didn't had an office in the past, so I was using Starbucks and CCD most of the time as my office space after quitting
Generally.
my job.
Right.
Generally, so what happened? One of the time like I was using one of the restaurant space for my work, and that restaurant manager said, like I asked him, can I sit and can I work for over laptop for some time? And he said, यार बैठ जा योगेश, दिन में हमारे पास कोई नहीं आता है.
Hmm.
So that's such a big statement. That's such a big problem statement.
Right. Right.
कि
Truly.
दिन में हमारे
Truly.
पास कोई नहीं आता है. And
Truly.
that problem need to get solved. And at one side, the manager is telling me that दिन में हमारे पास कोई नहीं आता है, and other side, I don't have office.
So
So
that
I
is the
thought this
gap
is,
you have find. Gap you have found.
yes, yes. So that's the first I got triggered, and in like very simplified way, I just solved my own problem. And later I realized that this is not my alone problem. Like there are so many people around the city
Right.
had the same problem, just like me. So I just opened the doors for everyone else.
Good. Good. This is a really nice idea. So definitely now I think so you are having some, I have seen some website related data. I have seen there are some 4 places now you're working, right?
Right, right. So
So
what
if you
happened
wanted to
actually?
tell
We
us
had,
something, yeah. Okay.
yeah. So we, frankly, we were doing very decently pre-COVID time. We had multiple
Okay.
locations across Pune. We close to had like 130 startups working from our spaces.
Good.
And from after the new year, in the month of Feb and the till mid of March, I was in Bangalore. We are trying to expand in Bangalore, and with the COVID, like I need to came back to Pune again, my hometown, and like हम एक height पे जा चुके थे, like just we like touch the success very small in a very small portion, but COVID impacted our business, our startup very badly.
Right.
Like
Right.
now again in Pune, Bangalore अभी थोड़ा दूर है, so now again in Pune, we are just resuming one space at a time. Again, we are encouraging customers slowly, at least they can join our spaces and they can do remotely work from our spaces.
Good. Thank you. So now moving towards to our question and answer sessions. So now we have some rapid fire questions with us, where we will be asking you some two options, and you have to select one option out of it.
Okay.
So we have some rapid fire question kind of thing. So I'll go for this particular question of a rapid fire. What you will choose, money or fame? So what you will choose? Money you will choose or fame you will choose?
I'll choose impact, not money and not fame, because that's what my favorite, like the word.
Can you please
Impact.
pardon? What? Impact.
Impact. Yes.
Impact.
Because like, yeah, what I said, like I wanted to make an impact in the world. Okay. And to make this world a better place. whatever the money and fame, even though I'll not get money and fame, I'll be happy with my impact. I will be much more happier that with my impact, irrespective of
Good.
money and fame. And I know money and fame are their byproduct. If you are making an impact on people's life, they will sooner or later they are coming towards you.
Yeah. So more of your orientation is towards social entrepreneurship, I can think. Social
No,
entrepreneurship.
not
You
social. Like
wanted to
no,
make,
no, no, not
you wanted
social,
to
not
make a
social.
change in the life of a people.
No,
No?
no. Like it's not social only. You can like make a positive change in
Positive
any
change.
way. For example, let's say any startup. Uh, Consider it Airbnb, for example, my all-time favorite startup.
Okay.
They are solving a problem. They are giving like they are able to help the host to generate extra income. Parallelly, they are able to give a space uh, to the travelers at very affordable space. Okay, so every traveler now, for example, if I wanted to travel, let's say any for example, New York, I knew that the Airbnb so many has many places. I can choose any Airbnb.
Right, right.
Yeah, so that's the problem. That's now my life become very simple because of Airbnb. My life become very simple because of Paytm. My life become very simple because of Ola and Uber. My life become very simple because of Zomato and Swiggy. My life become very simple because of any other startup. These startups are just solving every problem. Trust me that Sagar. Um uh, in the future, all those major, I genuinely believe that all the major problems on this planet, maybe other planet as well, uh, are like all those major problems are going to be solved by entrepreneurs and startups, not by the
Startup.
politicians and not and not by the politicians and not by the government. Okay, they are solved uh, like all take out any major problem. Take out a problem of a traffic. Take out a problem of pollution. Take out a problem of any major problems. Tomorrow, what
Right.
startup will born and they will solve this problem with the help of technology and with the help of their passion.
Right. Good. So nowadays, Government of India has also started the Startup India program where they are asking for problem statements, and some startups are approaching to that problem statements and they are solving that particular problem. Right.
Right, right.
I hope you are agree with this. Also, I just had some survey from the rural people. Like जेव्हा आपण 12वी नंतर ग्रॅज्युएशन नंतर जेव्हा मी विलेज मध्ये गेलो आणि जेव्हा मी काही सर्वे केला तर मला लक्षात आलं की लोकांना एक्झॅक्टली स्टार्टअप म्हणजे काय, ते कसं सुरू होतं आणि ते एक्झॅक्टली कसं केलं पाहिजे, असे बरेच काही क्वेश्चन्स होते. मग आय थॉट की वाय नॉट वी शुड कम अप विथ द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ अ फाउंडर स्पीक्स वेअर वी कॅन शेअर व्हॉट एक्झॅक्टली द फाउंडर्स हॅव डन अँड पीपल विल कम टू नो की त्यांनी कसं स्टार्ट केलं आणि त्यांना काही गरज असेल मार्गदर्शनाची तर आपण असे फाउंडर्स रेफर करू शकतो, जेणेकरून आता तुम्हाला उद्या काही टीमची गरज आहे आणि काही लोकांना तुमच्या मार्गदर्शनाची गरज आहे. तर वी थॉट दॅट की वी वुड बी द मीडियम फॉर दिस पीपल ऑल्सो अँड यू पीपल ऑल्सो अँड वी विल बी ग्रेटली हॅपी. Now the last question of this rapid fire is that what you will choose, hard work or smart work you will choose out of two or
Okay.
both?
The unpopular answer I have, I'll choose hard
Please.
work. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I'll not choose smart work because I'm smart enough to do a smart work. Okay. Anyone, I just genuinely believe that anyone can do a smart work. Anyone. Okay. Hard work करना खूप अवघड आहे. Okay. Because to do a hard work consistently over a period of time, you need so many things. You need to have focus. You need to have like disciplined life,
Right.
and that's very tough. Very tough to do a hard work over a period of a time. It takes a lot of things, and once you are taking like doing a hard work over a period of time, you know how to do a smart work. Smart work is anyone's game. Hard work is not.
So you will choose hard work for this.
Anytime.
Okay, okay. Thank you. So I just would like to thank you for coming on this particular platform and sharing your views about how exactly the Fry is working, what exactly was your idea about Fry, how people should go forward in your life. So thank you all of you for your inputs. Now I just wanted to say something about ourselves, like what do you think about Founder Speaks? Whether it is our a good, what we can say, start. What do you think about our concept as a Founder Speaks? So that could be the last question generally we ask. Any
Okay,
improvement
it's a
you wanted
beautiful
to
platform.
suggest? Any improvement you
Okay,
wanted to suggest, please?
okay. it's a beautiful platform to start with. Okay.
Good.
And
Thank you.
yeah, and this I just said that it will just follow the path of a hard work. Okay, not the smart work. Okay,
Sure,
all the
sure.
followers and all those things are they are not important at all. It's for maybe founder speak. The important thing, like how many like founder speak की वजह से कितने लोगों ने startup start किया, that's more important than anything
Good,
else.
good.
Okay,
We'll
maybe
add
the
that
number is
vision.
even
We'll
the
add that.
yes, even अगर 5, like for example अगर even if 5 startup also started because of your platform, that's a greatest success irrespective of how much money or how much fame you generate out of that platform. Second thing, I like because I follow all those startup ecosystems very closely. Let's say the channels like Your Story or Inc42. Okay,
Right.
all those people, they're all those magazine. Let's take it Entrepreneurs Magazine or whatever the
Right.
magazine startup ecosystem has. All those
Yes.
people only cover the founders and startup only when they raise the money. Okay.
Right.
Yeah, they every startup or every entrepreneur or every founder get a fame or get a recognition instead of fame, get a recognition only when they raise the money. Everywhere,
Yeah, yeah.
the founder
When
and
they
the
get
startup name.
series funding. When they get series
Yes,
funding, A, B, C, D.
yes. So actually, like, I'll be happy if the founder speak will have a very niche segment only to cover a startup. What can we say?
Rural areas we
The
are focusing. Rural areas we are
yes,
focusing.
so
Mostly.
those startup actually need a recognition. Okay,
Right, right.
instead of how much money they raise or how much the fame like they have generated in the market, अगर
Right.
ऐसे startup है कि जिनको सही में जरूरत है like recognition का, but आज के डेट में what is the major error or major problem in the industry, the startup ecosystem is that the startup, like हमें जो भी startup के बारे में मालूम पड़ता है आज, वो तभी मालूम पड़ता है जब वो money raise करता है.
मनी रेस करता है, बराबर है.
Yes,
आइडियाज
yes.
के बारे
और
में, हाँ, स्टार्टअप का जो अर्ली स्टेज है, उस अर्ली स्टेज में स्टार्टअप को रिकॉग्निशन मिलना बहुत जरूरी है. और यस,
बहुत जरूरी है
डेफिनेटली
क्योंकि उस टाइम पे उनको सही में जरूरत होती है स्टार्टअप्स को टू गेट रिकॉग्नाइजेशन एंड टू गेट वो एक मोटिवेशन हो जाएगा उनके लिए कि और फाइट करें.
Good, good. Thank you. We will definitely add this vision to our founder speaks, that people should get motivated, and we will definitely count how many people have generally started this particular startup after seeing this particular interview or more interview which we are going to have in future. So thank you for your suggestion for this platform.
Yes.
Yes.
One last point I would like to say to the entrepreneurs like now,
Yes.
like for example, the pandemic is an opportunity. Okay.
Right.
So because what is entrepreneurship is all about? It's all about problems. Okay.
Right.
और आज के डेट में जितने problems they are waiting for you. There are so many problems because of this pandemic. So guys, just like yes. So just go out. Just go outside. Pick your favorite problem and just go after on that problem. Okay. Because अगर कोई भी entrepreneurs बनना चाहता है, कोई भी startup उसको शुरू करना है, अगर वो आज की डेट में नहीं शुरू कर सकता है, when the world needs more entrepreneurs, when the world needs more startup to solve these problems, trust me guys, it's very, अगर आप आज नहीं कर सकते हो तो it's very unlikely you will do it tomorrow. When the market become very absolutely normal, maybe after economy will be a sustainable, will be growing economy, so उस time पे it's very unlikely that you will do it. So now is the time to start your entrepreneurship, to start your startup. Don't wait for tomorrow. Don't wait for economy to become better.
Thank you. Thank you. This is a really nice statement. So now for our viewers, if they wanted to meet you or if they want your advice, how you are reachable, please tell us.
Guys, thank you for asking me this question.
Or not,
Okay,
or
thank
you
you.
are always busy. What is your time?
Thank you, Sagar. Thank you so much for asking me this question. Okay, guys, if today, अगर आज की डेट में आपके पास आधार कार्ड, पैन कार्ड नहीं है तो that will be fine. Okay, but आपके पास LinkedIn account होना चाहिए. Okay, so LinkedIn account first, then आधार कार्ड, then पैन कार्ड maybe. Okay, so go out on अगर आप LinkedIn पे नहीं हो तो you are losing a ready-made platform for you. Every single entrepreneurs, every single freelancers, every single whosoever maybe, they need to be have on the LinkedIn, active user on the LinkedIn. I'm super active on LinkedIn, so just search my name Yogesh Thore and there just DM me. I'm available all the time on LinkedIn.
Okay, thank you. So now Mr. Yogesh Thore is available on LinkedIn to all of you guys. If you need any help regarding the startup, or you wanted to help him for that fry to get all over India or all the world, definitely you please DM him. And Mr. Yogesh Thore, thank you from Founder Speaks that you took your time and you just came to our platform. Once again, a thank you. And definitely I request every viewers that please follow our Founder Speaks Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube channel, so that you will be keep updated with this particular founders interviews. And definitely, Yogesh sir, we will come to Fry one day, and hope we will get to a space. Founder Speaks will also get a space in your Fry in coming months.
Yes. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Sagar, for having me, for inviting me on your platform. Thank you, Founder Speak. Yes, and we are looking forward, all of you in our Fry space. You can like access any of our. Abhi to hum like we are only in Pune, so you can access any of our Pune space at any time.
Okay, sir. Thank you, all of you, and thank you, sir. So I'll just
Thank
disconnect
you.
now. Thank you. Bye. Yeah. Bye. Yeah.
Thank
Happy
you. Thank you,
weekend to
everyone.
everybody. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.
You can leave, sir, if you wanted to. Yeah. Thank you.